シリキウトゥントゥの呪いは本物だ。これ以上先に行ってはならん。私と同じ運命になるぞ。私の忠告を聞け。呪いは本物だ。シリキウトゥントゥの目だ。早く逃げろ。まだ間に合う。
They bring it down though, because that's like
No, it just disappears.
they didn't bring it down because you can see through that. That's not like
Yeah,
it's not like a box. It's not on a box.
yeah, yeah. When is all we got?
さあ手を振ってこの世の自分に別れを告げたまえ。バイバイ。諸君は助かった。だが気をつけろ。恐怖への誘惑に取りつかれてはならん。二度と戻ってくるな。
Oh, that's so funny. Oh. That was so funny with those guys. I just knew it was going to be. They were already scared before they even started it. It was beautiful. That was so funny. They were screaming before it even dropped. As soon as the lights went out. Ah! hang on. Tower of Terror was so fun.
Oh, that never.
Never. That's our favourite ride. I wonder why they don't do the photos anymore.
Wait, they don't?
No.
Oh, that sucks. Why?
I don't know. Where? Yeah, we saw that already though, right? I don't know. All their photo stuff is sort of not happening. I think they've worked out that just everyone has a camera and, you know. I like the Toy Story. The Toy Story jackets are cool. And the Toy Story is cool too.
You get a free keychain with this one.
Ooh, it's on middle though. It's cute though. Okay. We've got it
Then why don't we test it? I want to see a Mickey foam.
when we get home.
So what are we gonna do for next?
I don't know. We've got to kind of plan around Brooke's meeting.
We can go on the ship now.
Yeah, that's true.